Hi, Rana here from Technical SU Team Parliament. Today we will learn what is KGR or what is keyword golden ratio and how to calculate this. So let's unlock the secrets to find these hidden gem keywords. The word golden ratio is a formula to identify keywords that have a high search volume but low competition. It's a game changer for those looking to rank quickly in search results. So here's the formula. You have to find the all-in title. I will explain this. So number of Google search results with the keyword in the title and divided by monthly search volume. So the sweet spot, a KGR of less than is 0.25. If it will be little more than 0.25, so don't use this keyword. So let's uh, check the calculation. Say you find a keyword with a monthly search volume of 250. If there are fewer than 63 results with that keyword in the title, the KGR is less than 0.25, making it a golden keyword. So why use KGR? What's the benefits actually? It helps you find keywords that are easier to rank for, meaning you can get traffic to your site faster, even if you are smaller on your website. To use KGR effectively, focus on a long tail keywords. These are more specific and often have less competition than broader terms. Remember, while KGR can be a powerful tool, it's only not only the strategy. Always balance it with other SEO practices for the best results. So I have made this Google Sheet for this purpose. Here I have the long tail keywords, and KG doesn't matter in my case. So here the search volume, and it is the all-in title. So it will automatically calculate the KGR all-in title divided by volume. So how to find the all-in title? Let's say copy this, paste here, all-in title colon. So add the all-in title colon before the keyword and press enter. Here you can see the number of results. It's the 10. So just type the 10 results here. Look, so I will type 10. You can see KGR is more good. So let's check for this one. Here you can see we have the 4 results, right? So I will give you a Google Sheet and I will explain in another video how to automate this KGR. But if you want to use a paid tool, you can use the Writer Zen for this purpose. Writer Zen has the KGR function. It has the feature Keyword Explorer, so you can try the KGR. It will automatically calculate the all-in title and show you the only less than 0.25 KGR keywords. So you can also get its lifetime deal. So now we can say we can easily find the KGR, and also you can add the low DR or DR0 keywords. If DR0 yes or not, then your ideal keyword will be less than 0.25 and yes. How to find this? Go to the Hrefs and in the Keyword Explorer, just type the keyword best shoes for hiking. Click the search button, matching terms. It's the lowest DR function. So I am finding in top 10, 0 in top 10. So it's the show results. Oh, there are no keywords in top 10. Okay, let's try with shoes, hiking. And now find the 0 in top 10. Click here. Okay, now I'm finding only shoes. Here you can see these keywords: the Solomon hiking shoes, Hoka women hiking shoes, Hoka hiking shoes women. So when you go to the SERP, you will find a website is ranking in top 10 with 0 DR. If this can rank, so we can easily replace this position with quality content and with good DR. So you can find another video on the channel how to increase the DA and DR without increasing the spam score. So thank you. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel.